Grand Rising Collective, welcome to Creative Illuminations, your spiritual advisor, giving you messages for this morning's session. Before we begin, let's open up with prayer. Thank you, Divine Mother, for using me as a medium to help guide, illuminate, and show the collective the way that you need me to show them along their distant path. Thank you to my divine ancestors, all high vibrational light energies, to the Federation of Galactic Energies. Thank you for protecting us, guiding us, and showing us the way. Thank you to the Ascended Masters and to all who have shown us protection and guidance along this journey. Much gratitude and humility towards our divine family. Ashe, Namaste, Amen. Let's continue. Grand Rising, guys. Thank you guys for your likes, your shares, and your comments. What's up, beautiful soul tribe members? How are you guys doing this morning? We are about to tap into these messages and see what the divine has for you. These are get in where you fit in messages. Get in where you fit in messages from the divine. I hope you guys are having a great day. Or if your day is beginning like mine, I hope you have a prosperous, wondrous day. So I see you guys are divine beings here. You are about to receive divine guidance. 33, Christ conscious energy. Anna, am I being attacked? I don't know, Kevin. I do charge for individual readings. If you do need to get that reading to see if you are under attack, then I can most definitely help you. All right. Thank you, Halloween Mike. All right, if anybody need any assistance, any services with Reiki, which I do use the energy of prana to eradicate any demonic energies, as well as heal you from any setback and delays, as well as help you tap into your gifts, abilities, and talents. Good morning, Grand Rising who, hey Dolly. So if you guys need any of those services, please let me know. The only way I can tell if you have any black magic done onto you is through a personal reading. Or we can do, I'm not going to do it online because if you want to. So if you do want to know if you had any magic done to you online, I take that back. If you want to know if you had magic done to you while we in these live sessions, I do charge $20 on live, but outside of live, I do charge $40 for my readings. So, all right, like I said, get in where you fit in at. You can look over my work at creativeilluminations.net, creativeilluminations.net. You can get in contact with me at 980-312-7821, 980-312-7821. Not only am I a Reiki practitioner therapist, but I am also a trauma, life coach, health coach, business consultant, and I also teach the School of Mysticism, which is the School of Magic, Mysticism. In other words, mysticism, not mysticism, but mysticism. So yes, I teach the lessons of the occult. If you guys are interested in any of those lessons, things like yoga, mantras, mudras, meridians, skills in meditation, alchemizing abilities, teaching you how to amplify, intensify your gifts, abilities, and talents to bringing you abundance in your life. So if you guys are interested in who you are on a spiritual level, your superpowers, then I am talking to you guys. Thank you guys for your likes, your shares, and your comments. With that being said, let's continue with these messages. 33. Some of you guys are guidance counselors is what I'm picking up. Some of you guys are stars. So take it as a resonate, okay? 44, 33, 44 is here. So I feel like, yeah, whoever you are, a guiding light, guiding star, you could be a teacher here is what I'm picking up. Yeah, you have wonderful opportunities coming your way. Stability is here. Firefly energy, wonderful. Maybe a light bulb moment that you manifested here. Yeah, it is about to, I don't know, manifest for you. Because look, I feel like that There's a lot of fireflies around you, but only you shine the brightest. Yeah, you are a star. Something is about to happen. Yeah, 11 people in here. So that's telling me that you're about to have a new beginning or a new union. So something is about to happen for you. 33, 44. So you're a great teacher. And you're about to have stability. Your ancestors are guiding you. Whatever the situation is, you shine out past the most. You outshine the rest. Yeah, your star shines the brightest. You could be a humanitarian. You could be an Aquarius energy. Good Eve, 12 DC. Good morning, my love boat. Good morning, my beautiful soul tribe members. Good morning. Hey, Dolly. Yeah, you're going to be crowned. I put my love on top. Baby, it's you I want. It's you I need. Baby, if you... Yeah, I want to wake up the house. Calm down. So I'm picking up, good morning. Good morning, can't sleep. No, and me too. I'm up. Hey, sexy. So guys, I feel like somebody want to put your love on top. I'm picking up the divine. The divine is about to put their love on top for you. Yes. You the only one I need. Because you stay dedicated. Yeah. Baby, if you the only one. Yeah, that's that Beyonce, yeah. And now the divine say, I'm about to put my love on top. So the divine is going to put your love on top. Okay. Let's get it. Yeah. You deserve to be at the top of whatever this is, at the top of the food chain. You shine the brightest. Everybody else got lights. Everybody else got talents and abilities, but your light shines different. Wow. Grand Rising, so saucy. Grand Rising, Luana. Grand Rising, Jay. Grand Rising, Sexy Taj. These are beautiful messages, guys. Let's go. What's the next message? There are helpful people that are about to get in contact with you. So you have angels that's about to assist you, a community of people, a group of individuals. You may be meeting individuals like you. Okay? I'm picking up that there's someone that's going to help you. I feel like your ancestors helped you as well too. Your ancestors are all around you, guiding you. You are a divine mother. You're going to be birthing a son, is what I'm picking up soon. So you are this divine mother or father, it doesn't matter. And you have like this divine team. And you know, there's angels on earth. You're welcome, Dolly. Yeah, and I feel like that somebody could be a scholar here that can help you with learning whatever you need to learn. You have protection, like if you need to go to school to pick up a skill, I feel like that you have somebody that's going to help you get through school. Oh, wow. I feel like that whatever situation you need help with, there's angels on earth as well as in heaven that's going to assist you so you can birth a new idea or birth this baby. The baby is here, but I feel like it's a new idea, something that you're trying to do, accomplish. You're going to get help. I don't know, Jennifer, you have to pay for your private reading, okay, either online or offline. Yes, you're protected. You're getting guidance. Yeah. And you have a loving heart. Your heart chakra is so open. Oh my God. It's so illuminated. It's like, wow. It's just like everything that you do, everything that you say, everything that you speak of, everything that you touch, it brings a very strong aura, energetic pull towards it, and people can feel you. People love you. People are gravitated towards you. See, you're meant to do something wondrous. That's why you're being picked, because you're a star. People gravitate towards you, and that's why you have these people, angels, that's coming towards you to guide you along your path. That's a beautiful message. Comes from my soul. Exactly. I say it comes from that damn root chakra. Healing. I say it comes from that root chakra. Healing that foundation. Healing those generational curses and healing your curses. And, and finally understanding and learning, how to finally put things to rest, how to handle situations, know where you're supposed to be going, finding your purpose, having a plan, strategizing, always learning your enemy, staying 10 toes step ahead. This is chess, not checkers. I'm the chosen one. Exactly. The chosen one. Yes, indeed, Walter. Yes. Thank you, Walter. I appreciate what you're doing. Thank you. Caution. Yeah, I feel like that you had to take a break. You had to caution yourself. You had to rationalize, realize. You had to pay attention that there was energies that was around you. I love you, baby. Thank you. That was around you that was trying to knock your crown off. People was trying to energetically pull on your energy to get you to act a certain type of way, to react a certain type of way, to move a certain type of way, and you have to call your energy back. They will never take the crown of a divine being because you are much powerful than they are. Okay? Yes, this person did not get the information. They did not get the memo who you are. You are a ascended master. You are pulling out 33. You are under the Christ conscious Hebrew energy. So they are fighting against a divine lineage, a patriarch. I think that's how you say it. Patriarch. I think I'm saying that right. Yeah. So you come from a bloodline of divine beings. So when they came up against you, there was no winning, period. Light always outshines the dark. Yeah, matriarch. Thank you, Dreamer Dream. Thank you, matriarch. Thank you. You know what I was saying. This person was not fated and will not be fated and shall not be welcomed into the family divine lineage. Someone was faking the funk, and now the roots are been dug up, so they might as well give up. I appreciate you guys. Yeah, this person has no destiny, no purpose, no plan. This was a fallen angel. This is somebody who deliberately still go against divine order, go against divine plans, go against what we all represent for. They use the light into enriching the darkness, and that will not happen over here. Period. Let's get to the next deck. I think I'm done with that one. No, they wanted me to go. I gotta go. Yeah. This person did not recover from their past life traumas. They chose to trauma bond. They chose to stay in toxic domicile environments. They chose to turn the other cheek. They did not choose to turn the other cheek. They chose to be vindictive, mean, nasty, have a carnal way of thinking, corrosive way of doing things, evil intent. And this is why they cannot come, or why they was kicked out from the divine lineage. Good morning, guys. They settled. Yeah, they settled. Exactly. Thank you, Walter. Yeah. A year from now, something could have happened to you drastically. A year from now, from today, something significantly could have happened in your life, and you had to put up boundaries, right? You had to walk away, and you had to heal yourself. You had to really discern who was really for you and who wasn't there for you. You had to go into hermit mode. You had to reevaluate things and reflect, and you realize that everybody that was around you was up to no good is what I'm picking up. So you had to set boundaries. Thank you, Sexy Tosh. Yeah. But there's no more disturbances though. These disruptions, these mind tricks, these social media hacks, these, gang stalking and all this wanting to team up behind your back just to take the chosen one down, it's over with. There's nothing that they can do to get you off your square, because you know exactly who the enemy is and you know how to counteract to that enemy as well. All right. Yeah, there was up to 3 witches. Power lines. Their energies have been eradicated. Period. What I want to say is vanquished. You know, their magic can't work on you. They have no power. Nothing. It's done. It's kaput. You can't, yeah. You can't touch me. We free. I'm a free agent. That's what I'm picking up. Yes. Vanquished. Exactly. It's done. What I'm picking up, demolition. Your ancestors came through like Wesley Snipes. Y'all remember the movie Demolition Man? Like, I'm going to use Wesley Snipes as one of y'all ancestors, right? One of the dark angels. But this dark angel is a good dark. I mean, he on the good side with us, right? So I must use Wesley Snipes, and he got dang went wrecking ball. Yes. I'm trying to tell you. He got dang went ham on him. I'm picking up man, it may be a society like that says, okay, I'm picking up Demolition Man. So it could be a society that claim that they're love and light and humbleness, and you can't cuss and you can't do this and you can't do that. You know what I'm saying? But they actually are the fallen angels, like how we in now. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, you got the Rothschilds and shit, and you know how you got people over the banking systems and corporations and governments, right? Same thing in Demolition Man. But they try to get that put on a facade like they was all about love and light when they really wasn't. You know what I'm saying? And then you had, what's his name? What's this? Is it Stevens? No, that's, what's my boy name? Stallone. Was it Stallone? And Demolition Man? Yeah, Stallone. They had an unthawed Stallone. And man, I ain't gonna get into that storyline, but if y'all know the movie, y'all know the movie. So what I'm getting at is Bruce Willis. No, it's not Bruce Willis. No, it's Demolition Man with Wesley Snipes. Okay, so the plot of the movie was, it was like apocalyptic time, and I think Steven Stallone, he was trying to capture bad guys, but he was a chosen one, but the way that he did things was not on a orthodox way, right? You're so beautiful being. Thank you, Halloween. So, okay, let me break the story down, man, real quick. Okay, so y'all Steven Stallone, right, in The Demolition Man, right? And Wesley Snipes was like a crazed energy that he had to go capture because he was killing. I don't want to get blocked, but he was, Sylvester Stallone, exactly. Yes, Sylvester Stallone. That's exactly his name. But he had to take down this other counterpart because he brought so much mayhem onto the planet. So even though Stallone was able to capture Wesley, but the authorities was against Stallone because he did it his way, which was he tore down a whole building, right? You know, if y'all know any Stallone movies, he coming through and he got named wrecking shop, right? So the point of the gist is, even the authority system did not like Steven Stallone and the way he did things. They put him on ice, and they put Wesley Snipes on ice until, several years later, because of the actions that he did. Let me take that back. Because of the actions that he chose to make to bring Wesley down, they thought he was just too volatile to stay in society. So they looked at him as a threat, as a rebel leader, as a threat, and wanted to take him down. They wanted to ice him. Some of you guys, like I said, could be Steven Seagal. So, I don't know. Sylvester Stallone, I don't know. These names may be familiar with you guys. Maybe like these movies. I remember that movie. You remember that movie? Okay. So check this out. So they froze him up, right? I ain't gonna go into detail. I think that's good enough. So y'all get the gist. But, Like I'm saying, like so some of you guys may have a government system or family members fighting against you guys. I don't know. But either way it go, they have no power. I'm not going to get into too much of that detail. Let's continue. I hope that resonates with some of you guys. Go check the movie out. You'll understand what I'm talking about. Yes, within the next few weeks, you guys are going to, I guess, witness something. These helpful people may be coming towards you in the next few weeks. Okay? But be careful of distractions. Be careful of distractions because people are still going to try to come towards you and try to distract you and get you off your square. Just plan for it and eradicate it. You know when people trying to get under your skin. You know when people trying to aggravate you. You know when people trying to be petty. Man, don't worry about that because you got a blessing coming towards you. Don't miss your blessing up letting distractions come towards you to mess up your new beginning. 11 is here. 33, 44, 11 is here. Somebody could be 26, 41, 36. There could be a 36-year-old and a 41-year-old and an 11-year-old. This could be a child as well that's trying to come around and distract you. This could be a child from 0 to 28, okay? Yeah, this is somebody who is not divinely guided. Somebody who has a child was trying to distract you. But this person acts holy and they're not holy. 41, break it down to 5. They have no stability. They probably came to you for help. Yeah, but you was divinely guided not to help these people. Could have been more than one person. But you beat that, whatever that energy was. Yeah, we shake them off. I feel like now that before you do anything, you ask your ancestors, if you're tapped in spiritually, like inclined like that, you ask before you do. So you don't make any bad investments. So that's good. That's good energy. Congratulations. All right, let's get to the next deck, guys. This is some good messages. I love you guys. Great messages. I don't know, Lexi. You have to pay for your private reading. I do charge 20 online and 40 off live readings. Okay, so let me know if you are, whenever you're available, you can call me at 980-312-7821. 980-312-7821. All right, let's get to the next deck. What are the next messages? Hey, Javen, how you doing, Javen? Grand Rising. You guys are about to experience a 611 moment, tower moment. Yeah. Or a tower moment happen. I feel like it's you. You got a tower moment coming towards you. But it's a good tower moment. Happy, surprise, a blessing. I told you. Chosen one. Didn't I tell you? You getting a hell of a lot of downloads right now too. Your third eye is wide open and you got blessings all around you. And you're about to get this. This gift is going to be tangible. I feel like you're getting spiritual gifts and you're going to get a gift that you can hold, tangible, you can use. Okay? And this is your tower moment. Boom! You ain't going to see it coming. All right? Because you've been co-creating. Yeah, breathe, relax, meditate. You're about to be successful. You've been thinking about this, haven't you? Yeah, I see you have. Yeah, you're about to meet some very important people, relationships. Okay? Yeah, somebody been watching you. Yeah, and this will be a peaceful situation, a talk, a conversation, a meeting with this person, these new relationships, communication, people, friends. I feel like business, this could be a business adventure you're about to travel. Come on, y'all. This is beautiful messages this morning. We coming through. Somebody regret for how they treated you, for not choosing you. Okay? We're not going to get into that. Somebody feel lonely right now. Yeah. Because you didn't fail the mission. You actually surpassed. You won. You beat the statistics. Okay? And you walked away from karmic relationships. Okay? Yeah. Somebody was not using their noggin at the time. Okay? Somebody wasn't thinking, they didn't think it through. And they lost tremendously here. And you won. Okay? Yeah. Because you're a thinker. And that's why. 44 came out here twice. 4444. Some of you guys need to write that down. You are a thinker here. And maybe you're like, man, I don't know when I'm going to get this. I don't know how, when, I don't know how, when, what. Am I ever going to receive this? But yeah, your time is coming. You've been doubting and you've been wondering and pondering. You know you can sense it, but it seems like it's not coming anytime soon. But it is coming. Just keep on. Keep on having faith. Keep believing in the dream. It's almost here. Don't give up because you're so close. But you're not going to see this day coming. Don't overthink it. Relax. Relax. You think you failed. It's okay. You didn't fall, baby. You gained the courage. You may feel like an orphan right now. Okay? Or this is your person. Okay? Some of you guys need to take a nap. Relax. Stop overdoing it. You're a golden child. Okay? Yeah, tell the truth to yourself. This is the truth. Yeah, this situation, you about to get justice. You're about to end out a cycle. You don't see this blessing coming towards you. You're going to be very proud at the work that you do. Your ancestors are about to guide you with these gifts. Yeah, something that you felt like that wasn't for you is coming towards you, and this is your judgment day. Whoa, let me read that again. This is your judgment day. Something that was not for you is about to be gifted to you. Yeah, you're going to be very proud at whatever that this is that you're accomplishing. Leo energy. Maybe somebody is proud of you. That's a Leo energy. Yes, look at this. Whatever, it's a mask. You don't see this coming, but this mask shows great prosperity, abundance is what I'm picking up. I don't see any negative energies here. Yeah, because you close out an old cycle. And now, whatever this situation is, these people is, this person is, this community is, this family is, whoever it is, they want to bring justice to you. But this is your justice. They want to tell you the truth, or somebody wants to come and tell you the truth. They want to give you information. Okay? I got Leo energy heavy here. Courage. So there could be someone that wants to come towards you, or you are this Leo energy that tells the truth. And that's why you're going to be able to get these blessings. Or there could be a Leo energy coming towards you to tell you some type of truth to bless you. I don't know. Just take it as it resonates. It's different for everybody. This person may have failed you in the past. Maybe, I don't know. Y'all let me know. Yeah, there was some health issues that you may be going through, but you can fix some of these health issues by resting. So stop worrying. I feel like you guys honor your health. Your health will be improving in the near future is what I'm picking up. I will honor the physical vessel that enshrines my soul. That's beautiful messages, God. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Outcast. Thank you, Bethany. Thank you, Henry. I love you guys. I never realized Judgment Day could represent something positive. Yes, indeed, Loanna, it can, y'all. And I'm going to show y'all. And y'all Judgment Day is going to be like y'all going to be crying and y'all going to be jumping, y'all, because you don't see it coming, right? And we deserve tower moments. We deserve to be shocked in a good way. We deserve to have our blessings while we're here on earth. And that's what our ancestors, that's what the divine want us to get, but we have to, of course, put the work in. You're welcome. Ada, thank you, Ada. I don't know, Ada, I do charge for personal readings. Let me know if you're still interested. You're welcome, Javen. Thank you, Bethany. Thank you, Outcast. Thank you, Henry. I love you guys. Thank you, Sexy. No one to help. And I just had a baby, only my husband. Yes, Sexy Trash. I understand, baby. Everything is going to turn around, I promise you. Always believe and put all them worries in God. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, everything will work out. That's what's wrong with us today is that we always doubt, right? We always doubt when we can always put our issues, our problems, whatever that we may be going through on the divine, because we can't change the situation. You can't change what's going on now. You can't change what happened in the past, and you sure enough ain't got to the future yet. So what we can do is control our situation where we are at now, right? And I choose to be happy. I choose not to be in a energy of worrying, of have a great day too, Halloween, Mike T. I choose to be in an energy of procreating. I choose an energy of being happy in whatever moment that may be presented in my life. Hell, I can be happy without no food. I can be happy without no house. Long as I'm happy within myself and I know who I am in my God seat, can't nobody take that from me. You could take my clothes. You could take my clothes. You could take my food. You could take my shelter. I mean, whatever. Y'all know, y'all get the fuck I'm saying, right? You can take all that from me, but I'm going to still be able to survive and thrive because you can't take my energy. You can't be me. I am a free agent. I am God's seed. How you think you're going to take my energy? It'll never be. Period. It doesn't matter how bad that somebody want to not make you, what I want to say. It doesn't matter how people see you, perceive you, or view you. Long as you believe in yourself and your capabilities and your power, the magic within you, can't nobody take nothing from you. They can't take your mind, your soul, your spirit, nor your heart. For real? They thought they could and they can't. They wish they could, but they won't. They can't. They whatever. It's over with. They wanted to unalive you. They wanted to steal your energy, take from you, trick you into thinking that you wasn't great by feeding your head with materialistic bullshit, telling you that, oh, you need this to survive, or you need that to be this way, or you need that to be that way. You got to have a car. You got to have this house. You got to have this money. You got to have this type of credit. That is not how Chosen One is picked. That is so materialistic and so meet the Jones energy. God don't look at nobody for no materialistic. He looking at your heart. Now them demons, they be in that materialistic shit. That's how you can know the difference between God people and demonic people. I ain't nothing wrong with having materialistic shit, but when you got people that really live for that really think that you should live this type of way to receive these type of blessings, that you something seriously wrong with you, because you can always gain those type of materialistic things by being yourself. You don't have to be born into a family of wealth to be a chosen one. Who says that? Who thinks that way? That is not a chosen one. That's a sick way of thinking that somebody is not better than you because they don't have what you have. What's wrong with you? And that goes for anybody. How dare you judge anybody for their sex, their nationality, their religion, any belief system, for how they came up in life, their environment? How dare you? And that's the same person that these high and mighty hierophant energies are going to need. Matriarch false energies. They are matriarch false prophets that try to be like the divine. They keep the divine cloaked while they are living as savages, pretending to be in our energy. But we're going to uncover these fake matriarchs and put the real matriarchs back where we need to be, where we should be. The underdogs. Stop playing with it. That way. Let's talk about the fallen angels that's been running the system since the beginning of time, since we know it. Those who I'm talking about, the bankers, the creditors, right? Your government system, these kings like Elizabeth and them, all right? And queens and shit. Those are the real fallen angels, huh? The ones who like to eat back. Shut up, Raina. Don't get blocked on TikTok. Let's get to the next energy. If you know, then you know. If you can finish that sentence, then you know what I was about to say. The horrendous and sadistic things that they do behind closed doors with these rituals will be exposed. We're going to have to, if y'all want to talk more about this, y'all got to follow me on Patreon, like for real. So we can get more in the nitty gritty, because I can't get like how I want to get on social medias, right? Because I'll get blocked. If you guys would like to follow me to get more in depth on these type of conversations, please join me on Patreon. All right? Because, I do feel censored, at the same time, but, it's part of our government system, right? They want to silence us, right? They want to silence us. And they want to keep y'all confused and keep y'all under an illusion about the real chosen ones. You feel me? This is the humans. They are under an illusion about what's really been going on with the system of things. right? Thank you guys for y'all donations. Y'all helped me get a new deck. Yeah. So the sun has been illuminated about, whatever that you need to know, whatever that you need to know, whatever that's been going on. Yeah, that you're a prodigal child. You are the truth, the way, and the light. And people cannot deny that. You're beautiful, you're kind, you're charismatic, you're wonderful. You've been this way since you was a child. I don't know, Dome. You have to pay for your donation. Let me know if you're available for that. Whenever you, I do charge for individual readings. If you do need an individual reading, just let me know. I do charge for individual readings. Thank you. Yeah, there's an ending to a situation here. Look, the Scorpio energy. Yeah, whoever that was trying to hold you down, this government system, people, this could represent anybody of high authority level. They about to have an ending. Scorpio energy is here because the truth has been illuminated. Confirmation. Yeah, there is about to be an offer coming towards you fast. Knight of Wands energy. This could be through mail. I feel like this could be in a car. Somebody may be delivering you some type of mail or giving you an opportunity. I don't know what this is, but it's coming towards you fast with the Knight of Wands energy. Okay? Yeah, somebody's been watching you. Yeah, you're a chosen one. Period. Yeah. So a lot of people was being watched, and you're being picked, and they finna come towards you and give you this offer. Maybe you was a Knight of Wands. Maybe you was a Knight of Wands energy. I don't know. Let's see. Let me get a full deck. Let me get a story. Grand Rising Mo, how you doing? Yeah, you about to make a goddamn, you about to sign a contract, man. This was divinely orchestrated for it to happen. Yeah, because you've been seen as a chosen one. Yeah. Out of all of these distractions, you've been seen as a chosen one, period. And this is, Hebrew energy. There's an angel coming towards you, driving towards you, Knight of Wands energy. Ooh, yeah, a union. This is going to be a good partnership. Wow, you don't even see this shit coming, baby. Eight of Wands, you're like, man, I'm tired of being stuck in these motherfucking walls. Thank you, Ashe. Good morning, Tabitha. Good morning. Look, your spirit guides are telling you, Chad. Your spirit guides are telling you, Chad, you can trust this. Hermit energy. Your ass been in hermit mode. They are guiding you to, your spirit team is guiding you to this new beginning. Yeah. What's this? There's somebody who's being fired. So there's a King of Wands energy in the reverse that is being fired. This could be a masculine or feminine energy. This person is being fired right now. Yet this Queen of Pentacles energy. Somebody who's all about money, finances. This could be two different individuals, but I'm picking up the same person. King of Wands, Queen of Pentacles energy. Yeah, somebody who's all about money, finance, no love, no compassion, no thrill. This person is about to be uprooted or has already been uprooted. So guys, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and end out. Let's see. Yeah. 10 of Pentacles, this business want to come and give to you and apologize or want to offer you something. Yeah. This is a business. This is a corporation or organization that's coming towards you that want to work with you. Okay? They're getting rid of somebody else and want to give to you. Yeah. You may think that the offer is not right, but trust and your instincts, the offer is right. Inherited art company, will it be successful? I don't know, guys. Y'all have to pay for your individual readings. Yeah. A situation has been put to rest, and you will have a beautiful family, a new organization. You're gonna be happy with this new family, this new organization, this new position. Yeah. This is your tower moment. Yeah, this is your tower moment. Hold up. This is your tower moment. Some type of offer is about to be given to you. This is your tower moment. Yeah. No, didn't know. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Yes, stock market. I do charge for individual readings. And you can get either one online for $20 while online, or you can get a detailed reading offline for $40. No problem, stock market. Thank you for coming through. Yeah, you're about to receive communication, and you're about to get this offer from God. This is an offer that's coming from God that you're about to receive, and that's the motherfucking truth. Who's going to give it to you? A Queen of Wands. You could be this Queen of Wands energy. Yeah. I ain't gonna read no more into this, should I? Nope. I'm done. Yep, I'm done. So that's enough, guys. Like I said, if you guys would like to get more in detail with this particular energy, what's coming towards you, Queen of Wands energy, you're very, like I said, charismatic, loving, caring, beautiful. Oshun energy. You could be working with Oshun here. Okay? You're loving, caring, compassionate. You are the people's choice. The people love you. You are a I'm picking up a very groovy girl or masculine. Good morning, Trino. I will get some cog messages for you guys to end out this session. Thank you guys for your likes, your shares, and your comments. I'm gonna leave that out. So let's get some cog messages to end out these messages. Currently in this moment, we are talking about this energy. So something is, don't laugh at me. How are you doing? I'm good, baby. I'm doing good. So currently in this moment, yeah, you guys are going to experience a accelerated growth in your finances is what I'm picking up, or this opportunity. You know who you are, chosen one. This message is not intended for everyone, but for the right ears, it needs to fall on. Okay? Take it will resonate. Disregard the rest. Yeah, you are worthy. You are trustworthy. That's why you're getting this blessing. You're getting ancestral legacy, lineage here. Ancestral, what I want to say, they're blessing you with their powers, with their talents, gifts, and abilities. Your ancestors are, because you're trustworthy. Yeah. But I feel like there could be an earth sign that feel like you're trustworthy. This could be an earth sign, fire sign energy that feel like you're trustworthy. They was dealing with a crazy female. Okay, so there could be a fire sign female. Okay, or yeah, this person likes to stay drunk. Okay. So this could be a fire sign, air sign energy, or Aries, Leo, Sag. Damn, they telling the tea. I'm going to just let my ancestors do the talking. I'm going to let my stick talk. Hey, 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 we're going to let that stick talk. Hey. Let me stop. Let me get to the next message. Yeah. You got that WAP, Divine Feminine. Okay. And this person always loved you. Okay. Some of these messages could be for business. Some of these messages are for love. Some of these messages may be you're going to be teaming up with a business that's like your lover. I don't know. Take it will resonate. Thank you, Trina. I love you too. Thank you. 37. So look at the name 37. So 37 means that there's an ending to an old situation. And yeah, you can have brown eyes, hazel eyes, green eyes, blue eyes, red pigmentation, so you know where that red come from. I ain't gonna say no more. This masculine had to learn the hard way. Yeah. And he knows that now he's enough. He can come towards you, or he feel like that you are enough. Both of you guys could be fire sign energies. And let's get one more to close it out. This video will be uploaded on the YouTube Hard Knock Life for Tarot. YouTube, the Hard Knock Life for Tarot. I will be back later for more messages. Yeah. Oh, the karmic's saying, you think you better than us. And we're going to end it out right there. This karmic crazy. So they jealous. They mad. Chad. Let them be. Let them be. You need healing, honey. We can heal. We can heal, baby. We can heal. That's all I'm going to say. Y'all don't react. Don't do anything. Just continue to act. Just continue to be poised. Continue to stand in your power. Continue to call your energy back. And don't fall for the okie doke. I love you guys. I know, right? I know you felt it. It's who? Red took me. You already know that, Red. You know. Hey, ET in this bitch. I love you guys. Hearts to every one of you guys. Heart for hearts. That's what we represent here at Creative Illuminations. Hearts for hearts. I love you guys. I'll talk to you guys soon. You guys have a beautiful soul, a beautiful day, a beautiful morning. And I'm out. Peace.